Voltron trash.
Mabel, it's Mabel. I ate him.
I wanted to tap the ass, okay?
Dinner. And snap. Most important part to any con is knowing where all the fast food restaurants are, which I've already looked up. Wild attack! Shit, I killed Dipper. The first episode of Keeping Up with the Blacks is now online to be viewed at Ironic-Nubs. And this is the butt.
Extra content.
What? Look, who's DS guides? They actually have to talk to us.
No, surely don't have a... At least they're talking about Voltron.
Pokemon Sun.
Voltron trash. Who's the one that just made Lance and Keith jackets 3 days after watching Voltron?
I did it.
Yep, right. That one hand stitch you done makes it.
Adrian, when did you get glasses?
No, I've always had glasses. I'm just mug. I need to wear contacts.
The plant needs a sticker. Whoa. Everyone needs a sticker. Hey. Mabel will make sure everyone has stickers.
Sunday, but I ran out of black.
Even Draco Mouthboy has a cat sticker.
Do you? Are they fingerless? You'll see me on the cosplay return. Can I borrow them on Sunday, please?
I think they're larger for me. Is that okay?
Jump, have that! I got it.
It took me a while.
Another cat sticker.
Oh no, I've been cat stickered.
Everyone will be cat stickered.
Who vlogs?
Who vlogs? Who vlogs? What? Get my nose piercing hurt.
We'll harass you with cameras.
I don't mind the paparazzi.
So we meet again. It's been a long
So we meet again, camera number 2.
Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. Come on! I'm trying to understand this. What? Just what? Just don't. Just don't. I'm trying to understand why you don't like dating.
I threw away Bill.
I mean,
That's your.
who needs Bill?
Apparently I'm the giver of pussy.
Very professional Arabic.
Look at these losers vlogging. Look at this. Look at this loser. Look at this loser.
Oh my god.
I'm still losing over that.
Honestly.
Do a
Abby,
PA.
honestly.
Sorry. Dipper! You have your own show, Dipper. We all know Mabel's show is better than Dipper's show, don't we?
But if you do it,
Yeah.
Wait, it's like this. Welcome to Dipper's Guide to the Unexplained.
Mabel, Mabel.
Dipper's Guide to the Unexplained. We had a
Welcome to Mabel's Guide to Stickers.
Just stick to it, bitches.
Guide to the Unexplained.
No, Mabel's Guide to Stickers.
Unexplained.
Stickers. I don't know these people, but I gave them stickers. I know that one. Everyone gets a sticker.
Everyone gets that pussy.
This is a dork called Neville, destined to do his plants. Look at that. Look at those. Look at those plants. Amazing plants. This is a documentary on a cat plant.
Yeah.
What did you do to the other Adrian? I ate him. Because you didn't bring me a fucking croissant, bitch. You said you ate the other Adrian. I lied.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for.
So stupid.
You never loved you, Sayaka.
I only wanted to tap the ass, okay?
You wanted the booty, you didn't get the booty.
I wanted the booty, but I didn't get the booty.
It's a tragedy, isn't it?
Instead, I got my soul destroyed and I turned into a witch.
It's fine.
yeah, that one was awesome.
Thanks.
Now you have cat sticker. Now life is better. See, this one has 3 cat stickers.
Happy Hanukkah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's how you record.
that.
My antenna.
Get mommy.
Kathy? Zoom in! That's really good zooming.
Leave people alone.
Hey!
Marco, second Marco.
Losing on butt. Adrian butt. I mean, what? I'm not. Good camera.
I thought that like there was a sticker, just and I was like, it's everywhere.
Yep. Had to double check. I don't know.
Everyone will have cat stickers.
Everyone, including us, we all must have the cat stickers.
Hey, Marina, Adrian, I heard that Chat Noir has a six-pack.
Yeah, he totally. Yeah.
What do you think about
Have you
Marina?
seen his butt?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, he's got a good butt, that leather-clad butt.
What do you think of his leather-clad butt, Adrian?
I'm not gay, totally. So
He's just
I don't have any opinions.
There, right there!
You sure? I'm pretty sure you were talking about his butt and abs the other day.
I was.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah.
All throughout class.
Oh, because at that time I happened to see him at the gym. It was just a coincidence.
Wait, you know
Goes to gym. It was
Gym in his leather bodysuit.
Yes, probably.
In a leather suit.
I guess it helps you sweat more and lose weight faster. I don't know how gyms work.
You're a model. You're a model. You should know how gyms work.
My brother's already sent me a website.
Manly Adrian strikes
He did that. He did the same number.
Are you cosplaying this weekend?
Flies everywhere.
He's cosplaying a security guard.
Butt. Butt. Why I need the Adrian butt. And butt.
I want to go get a photo with.
Adrian?
A croissant. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten today
Okay.
because my fucking sister didn't feed me.
Okay, swear. Don't swear. That's not like you.
It's
okay, calm down.
Effing sister didn't feed
There we go, that's better, that's better.
She didn't feed me and I was sad.
No.
She fed her daughter but not a brother. Like, come on.
What's poppin', B?
Like, hats. And he goes, I touched him. I'm injured. I am a klutz.
I have McFallen.
McFallen.
Oh my god,
I have McFallen!
you were cooking for me and you burnt yourself because you got distracted about my ass.
They're hugging people.
Which is like non-existent. Just like lower back leg.
Where's the other Adrian? I had two, I was in heaven.
I ate him.
What?
Well, I was hungry.
Okay. Okay.
But now I'm like Adrian squared, so.
Okay.
Dinner.
I can't find you. Want your camera back?
Yes, please. I think I've stuck like 50 stickers. There's like half the sheets are missing, so I've stuck a lot of stickers. Look at this. Look. Hi, this is Adrian and this is Gaydrien.
If you go to Chinatown, they actually got big problems. Well, it was about. It's impressive. He was like, "Hey boys, like," he said,
Hi. Hey, Dip Dip. Dip Dog. Excuse me, Dipper, why do you have an eyebrow piercing?
I tried to impress Wendy. I do that all the time. She liked the edgy kind of guy like Robbie, so I was like, maybe I can try it. Get a side fringe going, a piercing.
I didn't hear what you said.
Wendy's not interested in you.
Focus on one thing.
That's good.
Agony for the torture they teach.
Hi, Gaydrien.
Adrian. Adrian. Adrian.
What's up, gay boy?
Abby,
Ahoy.
look at these stickers.
No, not my stickers. Goodbye, boobies.
I thought you said babies, and I was like, well, you're probably gonna get the wrong person.
Goodbye. Enjoy your cat
Would you like to see my raccoon?
Your raccoon?
Flawless.
It's also very warm.
I can't even record.
You talk.
You're gonna have that quick
Honey,
record,
honey, 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 how he thrills me.
You are my poison. You are my poison. 시내로 내게 파고들어 빠져나올 수 없어. You are my poison. You are my poison. 무너뜨려 나 쓰러뜨려 아무것도 할 수가 없어.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna learn the bend and snap. I'm looking at you. Everyone, and bend and snap. And bend and snap. I'm being left behind.
No, my hair.
The wigs have been
Looks so
removed.
green. Oh my god.
It does.
In this light.
Look at that.
Guys, I'm Duncan.
L'Oreal, because you're worth. Oh my god.
Total drama.
Your mum and dad have to.
You guys are on my mind.
Friday's over. Mike. I'm ready to go to sleep. You're what? I think
We have cameras to format.
we have cameras to film it. Yay!
I have a cake to finish. Insert picture of finished cake. Have fun.
Oh great, now you're making editing choices for me.
Insert inspirational music.
Big photo of my face. I don't know because I'm not in this shot, so I want my face right in the middle. Okay.
This is a beautiful photo.
Winston.
Winston.
What are you doing? You know, for Specsavers. Not really. They took like $300 of my money.
This is not sponsored by Specsavers.
Sponsor me. Hashtag spons. I still need to do my sponsor photos for Shop Nemo.
Whatever shall we do?
One day.
Do promo pics.
I'm
You
gonna
should do
dye
your
my
drag
hair
queen Regulus. Insert picture of drag queen Regulus.
Insert because not the black photo.
Oh yes. Our new series, Keeping Up with the Blacks.
So one is out already.
Yes,
Insert
already.
link. There you go.
I'm so much editing to do.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Stars.
Yeah.
Find me. Glue, like, sealant stuff. Shit.
Cosplay secrets revealed.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be doing more natural looking stars because I'm not Marauders anymore. So, wish me luck.
Yes, good luck. All of us wish you good luck.
If I'm awake. What's about my friend's gonna come pick me up and I'm still asleep and I'm sitting on my bed with my eyes
Just
cream.
naked again. Naked on your bed with an ice cream.
Yeah.
My life.
Real life porn style. I still can't believe I shaved my eyebrows this morning. I couldn't be bothered fucking them, so I literally went shave.
With a razor.
Yeah.
With an eyebrow shaver or an actual razor?
Actual razor that you like use to your legs.
At least I've got one for my eyebrows if I ever
Insert the photo of them as Adrian with doing me a frightened photo.
Stop inserting photos.
Insert rainbow, insert if you were gay song.
If you were gay, that'd be okay. I mean, cause hey, I like you anyway.
I don't know. My whole family.
If you were gay,
my girlfriend thinks I'm gay.
Are you gay? Are you gay?
I'm European.
Yeah.
You're doing me a fright.
Are you gay? Because that'd be okay.
I'm gay, and I'm ready to.
So if you can't tell, I binge watched all 3 Legally Blonde movies while finishing my boots.
Legally Blonde the musical is better.
Yeah, well, you know what else is better for my boots? I used white pleather. Who needed white pleather? Whose Keith is silver?
Any spare?
I do.
Can I steal it?
Sure. But I need enough to finish my Neo.
Yeah, finish
Is
all
it a
your
crushed
shit first.
leather?
No.
That's smooth. I already asked those questions. It's fine.
Yeah, I've
I
been
can't
questioned
believe
on my
you found something. I looked literally
and it was on a clearance rack, so it was like only
I
$8
looked
a
in
meter.
literally 20 stores. I looked online for express shipping. Nowhere had it.
I was just making my boots, and I'm like, I know someone who needed this.
I'm so pissed. I hate you. You love me. Maybe.
My
phones died, so I have nothing else to do on this trip except annoy them with the camera.
Yeah, you're making us be entertaining. Yes, like 10.
Well, I've been going to bed at 3 a.m. for the past week, so...
What is sleep?
What is sleep? I forget.
I thought sleep was brushing out wool and hand stitching.
I thought sleep was binge watching iZombie. I got through 2 seasons in 2 days.
I'm probably gonna rewatch Voltron tonight when I'm doing the.
Just to get you in the mood.
I've already watched it like 3 times.
Looks like we're watching all the Harry Potter movies then.
No. We won't be able to go to the con if we do that.
Come on, it won't take too long.
Just watch the one where Sirius dies. Number 6, isn't it?
5.
5, whatever.
I wonder.
Actually, 6 is when Tonks and Remus. I hate Tonks and Remus's relationship in the movies.
Oh yeah, the books is better. The books is way better. She's even like you read the books and
just
she's
like,
on
oh,
it
by
so
the way,
much
we're
more.
married now.
Yeah, by the
one
way.
movie later. Oh, by
by
the way, we have a kid.
Yeah, like
Just
I
say.
don't even hardly mention the kid in the movie.
exactly.
I think they deleted the scene where
No,
they said
there is this kind of scene where in the background, if you listen, Remus and Tonks are going to someone and they're just like,
but they speak over that.
yeah, that's the thing. That's all you got towards.
Also, they cut out Andromeda. They cut out Andromeda, and I will never forgive them coming.
They cut out Regulus.
No one cares about Regulus.
Regulus got a photo at least.
Yeah, at least he got the RAB.
Yeah, that's because it's important to the storyline.
Andromeda is important to the storyline.
Is she?
Yes.
What did she do?
She was the original family disappointment. Duh.
Did you mean you?
Yes.
And I'm me and Kane. and
Another reference to
everyone.
Keeping Up with the Blacks.
I'm a mama's boy.
You're a mama's boy.
My brother and I look the same.
Yeah.
He is my father, and
Put your wristband back on.
never.
You need this to get into the con. It is very important you do not lose this. I'm just looking down at the camera, just going.
Tonks can't hold a camera. Look at those puppy dog eyes.
They're a werewolf eyes.
Insert video of that part.
So I'm dead. I can't hold a camera, and I have no chips.
Upside down.
I'm
And your son got married now too.
Tonks can use cameras.
I'm a lion.
Your son got married in Nazi. How do you feel about that?
The puppy dog eye, they are werewolf
Is it 'cause you're a-
Son.
And you have to insert every single one.
I could just cut out all this footage.
You could, but will you?
I don't know, will I? Will?
My hair is green, not blue. Look at that.
Camera lies.
Mine's gone green. I turned into a Backstreet Boy when I bleached mine.
Backstreet's back, alright.
That is the elephant in the room. Well, is it relevant to presume that's a hottie in that costume?
Is automatically, radically,
Ironically, chronically,
certainly,
genetically, medically gay, officially gay, 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 gay. Damn it! Gay or European?
So stylish and relaxed.
Is he gay or European?
I think his chest is waxed.
But they bring their boys out different there. It's culturally diverse. It's not a fashion curse.
If he wears a kilt or bears a purse.